Did you know that most practices lose patients because their marketing strategies are outdated? In this video, I'm going to share 3 crucial tips, including one tip that got our client 53% more customer engagement with innovative marketing strategies. Now it's 2025, and so many strategies that are out there that potentially you're doing are actually no longer at the forefront of what you need to be looking at. So this video is going to break some crucial things down, and stick to the end because I'll reveal an actionable step that you can take today so that you can get better results with your marketing in 2025. Hello everybody, my name is Amelia Lujan. I'm a mindful marketing expert specializing in working with healthcare brands, and today we're going to be delving into what strategies are outdated and what strategies you need to be looking into for this year. One of the biggest outdated strategies that I see is people think that you need to put the brand on a pedestal and create automated messages that let patients know, I got your message, I got your email, we'll reply in the next 24 hours. While technology is a great resource so that you don't have to do the manual work, people are craving human connection more than ever. So putting a barrier between you and the customer or your patient is going to cause friction and cause them to lose interest in you. How many times do you call Verizon, Comcast, whatever provider you have, and it's so frustrating talking to the robot instead of a representative? This is how patients feel when they're trying to connect with a provider that might help them solve a problem that they have. Another outdated strategy that I see is relying on one single channel for your results. There needs to be multiple touch points. So if you just have ads running, for example, if somebody clicks on the ad to look at your profile and you're not posting any content, you have barely any followers, or they look you up online and your website's outdated and you're not posting reviews on your Google listing and you're not posting any type of content anywhere else, and all of your brand presence is outdated across multiple different channels, the person's gonna lose trust very quickly. So choose more than just one avenue of generating leads and new patients so that when a prospect goes into your other channels and your other digital assets, they can see that you're active, that you're up to date, that people are consistently reviewing you so that they know they can trust you. And the last outdated strategy that I see is DIY marketing or paying a family member because it's cheap. A lot of people don't understand the complexities that marketing implies, and they think, I can create a graphic and post an ad or go onto Instagram and film a little video, and if I don't get any results, then the platform's not working, and you blame the platform and you blame other people for mediocre results, or you think that maybe just people aren't interested in what you're saying. Regardless, it's more about the intricacies of how you can piece certain things together, because like I mentioned in my first point, you can't just post an ad and expect that to scale your business if you're not savvy with ads and integrating other channels. So don't be your own CMO, don't try to be your own marketing strategist. If you're a chiropractor, for example, and I told you I'm gonna crack my own neck, you probably wouldn't be too happy with that. Similarly, marketing is the same way. You went to school, you have higher education, you have all of this plethora of experience in supporting someone with their back alignment, for example. You're not gonna have your patients crack their own back, so why would you do your own marketing? All right, now let's talk about what's in. One thing that I love seeing my clients do is creating videos behind the scenes with their team. Now I know as a specialist, you're not really looking to create content. That's why it's so important to work with an agency or an individual that can support you in gathering these things, but capturing the day-to-day, even if it's like something comical, like someone cleaning the office, and then creating like a funny reel where people can relate to seeing that warm connection that you're creating builds so much trust. People nowadays are looking for authenticity. They're looking to build a relationship with the brand. They're not looking to have a brand be on a pedestal and them seeing, oh, this is so unreachable, because that is really not an ideal approach, because now there's so much noise in the marketplace that if you are doing what everybody else is doing and you're not being authentic and you're not showing the behind the scenes, even if it's the day-to-day mundane, that can be so powerful and impactful when building that trust that people are craving. Another marketing strategy that's in 2025 is referral programs. This is so underutilized. Nonetheless, referral marketing is becoming the number one source of marketing, because how many people do you see online promoting and promoting and promoting and promoting, and at the end of the day, the person that you're gonna pick is gonna be the one that a friend or a family member shares with you. So incentivizing your community to share a service. Let's say, you do medical weight loss, or you do a certain service with body contouring, and you want your patients to share it with their family. You could say, if you refer 2 people, then we give you 1 free session, or we give you 50% off. This is an incentive that people get to share it with their friends and family, and warm traffic is so much easier to convert than cold traffic. So keep this in mind, and this is going to be something that is so important and crucial these coming years. So you want to stay ahead. Make sure to utilize this strategy and not lose out. To conclude, as I promised, what is the number one tip that got our client 54% more engagement with his marketing strategy? And the tip is, we took one of our clients' accounts and we started engaging even with the people that started following them. How innovative is that? Where you get to follow an account, you see the content, it looks interesting, you found them on an ad, you want to follow them for trust, and getting someone to say hello to you right when you follow them and engage you in an organic way, ask you about what you're looking for, share other new content, maybe even share free resources, sharing a discount. This is a very powerful resource and a very powerful tool so that you can engage your community. And the goal here isn't just to get one-time patients and then continue about your day, getting more and more leads, getting more and more new patients. This is about building long-term relationships that turn your prospects into customers and your customers into your own fans. So I understand, who has the time to sit there and message every single person that follows you and every single person that comments on your post or every single person that engages with your story? This is why we have a strategy specifically designed for each of these key points that I spoke about in this video. That's it, everybody, for this video. If you would like a more in-depth, high-level analysis, check out this training session that I absolutely love to share with you. It's only 28 minutes long, and it's gonna give you exactly what strategies to stop in 2025 and what strategies you need to start doing so that you can get better results with your marketing. Make sure to subscribe and follow us for more content on mindful marketing.